A 35-year-old man's been arrested after pointing a handgun at point-blank range at the head of Argentina's Vice President Cristina Kirchner. It happened as she arrived at her home in Buenos Aires, where hundreds of her supporters had gathered. Fortunately, the gun didn't go off and she was unharmed. The president calls the dramatic incident the most serious since the country regained democracy and has made Friday a national holiday for people to express themselves in defence of life. Here's the moment again in slow motion. The man was immediately detained and officials have characterised it as an assassination attempt.
Amid a massive presence of people in front of the Vice President's residence, a man pointed a firearm at her head and pulled the trigger. Cristina is alive because, for a reason not technically confirmed, the gun, which contained 5 bullets, did not fire, despite the trigger having been pulled. Such a reality moves all Argentinians, and in particular those who are their loved ones, and we embrace her in solidarity with all our affection.
The solidarity rallies at her home began last week over corruption charges against the 69-year-old. The long-running accusations are that she championed a construction company for road contracts during her 2 terms as president, which belonged to a close ally. Her supporters have also gathered outside the Senate. But clashes have followed and the government has been accused of repressing demonstrations. Just last week, a judge called for a 12-year sentence if she were to be convicted. This comment has sparked widespread demonstrations across the country. She says the charges are politically motivated.